Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I needed a case to hold my Phomemo D30 label printer. So I didn't want to get an organizational tool and then have a mess everywhere because I had nowhere to store it. This case keeps everything in one place. So it keeps your organizational tools organized. The color is perfect, the size fits the label maker. It even has room for some rolls of labels, and I like the little handle so it's easy to grab. And again, the color is just the sweetest mint color. I like to keep things organized. The last thing I need is a label maker and then I can't find the labels because they are rolling around in a drawer somewhere. This keeps everything neat and safe and exactly where I need it. And I travel a lot, and I actually can take this label maker with me now because of the case. And it not only keeps things where I need them to be, but it keeps everything safe because it's got some nice cushion to it. I feel like the label maker is secure inside. So this is exactly what I was looking for, to keep everything in its place, not to take up too much space, but also has a convenient handle as well. And that is my point of view.